Hi students, welcome to On Demand Tutorial Point. Today in this video, we are going to discuss basic proportionality theorem of chapter triangles or similar triangles students. Similar triangles is for state syllabus and triangles is for CBSE syllabus. Now, basic proportionality theorem or we call Thales theorem or we can call BPT. So what is a statement? States if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Okay, what does that mean? If you draw a triangle, okay, take a line which is parallel to the third side. Here AB is one side, AC is one side, BC is the other side, right? Take a line which is parallel to third side. Okay, then that line will meet the other two lines in two distinct points, students, in two distinct points. Okay, and then that line divides the other two sides in the same ratio. That is a given statement. Now that is a statement states. Okay, now write down what is given in the question, students. In a triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC. D is parallel to BC, where D intersects at point D and E, where BC intersects at point E. Okay, D is a parallel where D intersects at point AB, nothing but D, and E intersects at point in the line segment AC, students. The point E, students. Okay, we have given that intersection point as D and E that I have mentioned here. Now we need to prove that AD by DB equal to AE by EC. That one we need to prove. AD by DB equal to AE by EC we need to prove. Now see, directly we cannot prove this theorem. We need to take some changes in the given statement, right, for our convenience. That is nothing but construction, students. To get our result, we need to take some extra steps. That is nothing but construction. So what I did for the statement triangle, I have taken perpendicular, students. I have taken perpendiculars from the triangle ABC. D is a parallel to other side. Then join CD. I am joining C and D, B and E. I am joining CD and B. For our convenience, we are doing this one to get the result. Okay. Now, if you join DC and BE, then what we get? Then DM. Where is DM? DM is perpendicular to AC, students. Okay. Now, EN is perpendicular to AB. Okay, understood. If you join CD, BE, okay, and if you join EN, DM, okay. Now, what we get? Then DM is perpendicular to AC, okay. Now, EN is perpendicular to AB. After drawing that perpendiculars, after joining CD and BE, we will get perpendicular, students. What are those perpendiculars? DM and EN. DM and EN. Okay, let's continue. Okay, now from the triangle ADE, students, the top triangle, from the triangle ADE, we know area of a triangle formula, right? Area of a triangle equal half into base into height. From the triangle ADE, half into, what is base here? AD is the base. I wrote here height. EN is the height. Yes or no? Now again, from the triangle BDE, first we should prove one part, left part, and later we should prove right side part. Then we should compare, student. Okay. Now from the triangle ADE, sorry, BDE, sorry, BDE. Okay. What is area of a triangle? Off into base into height, right? So off into, what is base? BD is the base, height is EN. EN is common for both twins. Okay, that is the height. Therefore, areas of both triangles AD and BD, if you compare those two, what we get? So off into AD by AD into EN by off into BD into EN. Cancel like terms. We get AD by BD twins. We get AD by BD, that is equation 1. Similarly, you will take right side triangles. Okay. Similarly, from the triangle AED. Similarly, from the triangle AED. AED. Base is AE and height is DM twins. Base is AE and height is DM. Okay. Again, from the triangle CDE. CDE. CDE, this is a triangle. Okay. So base is EC and the height is DM. Height is DM. Okay. Now comparing both area of a triangle AED and CDE twins. Okay. Next step. So off into base AE into DM by off into EC into DM twins. Cancel items. Off get cancelled. DM get cancelled twins. What is left out? AE by AC. That is equation 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, from the figure, triangle BDE and CDE are on the same line, same base DE, where DE is parallel to BC, between the same parallel. Okay. Therefore, area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle CDE. Okay. This one I will show you how. Students, here the triangle, in the previous we have proved area of triangle, right? Therefore, area of triangle BDE and CDE are on the same base twins, or on the same base DE. Therefore, their areas will be same. Their areas will be same twins. That one you keep it as 3. Therefore, from 1 and 2, we have compared, right? Equation, students, from equation 1 and from equation 2. Therefore, AD by DB equal to AE by EC twins. Okay, hence proved. I hope you understand this theorem. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.